Hey, this is Justice with Tiny Home Toy Hauler. Today we are talking about LightFORCE lights. So we have a few different lights right next to me. We're going to start off with the ROK40. These are ultra flood lights, usually these fog lights. Then we also have some striker LED lights. Those are going to be drive-in lights, about 1 lux at about 700 meters. And then we have the LightFORCE flagship lights. These are the HTX2. They actually produce 1 lux at about 1600 meters. So in front of me, I have LightFORCE's HTX2. These are hybrid driving lights. They are a HID center with an LED outer. They are 1 lux to 1655 meters. They are about 9 inches. This is the kit, the HTX2 pair. So let's open it up and see what we got in it. So it does come with black covers, which you legally do have to have on the road in the United States. Most people don't run them though. It comes with the 2 switch, so you can have your HIDs, LEDs, one or the other on, or both on at the same time. And if I can get it out. So this is the actual HTX2 driving light. They're about just over 9 inches tall. It does come with a clear filter as well to help protect it. So this is a hybrid driving light. What that means from LightFORCE is there is a HID center bulb and then the LED ring around the outside. So with the dual switching harness, you can run either or both at the same time. LightFORCE did send us 4 of these, so we are going to run them across the bull bar. We're going to run a pre-runner bar across our bumper, and we'll run the 4 across there. These are LightFORCE's striker LED driving lights, so these are just a little bit bigger than the ROK40s. However, they do produce 1 lux at over 700 meters, so they will be a lot better for the highway driving at night when our HTX2s are just a little too bright. These lights do produce 1 lux at 754 meters. They do have an LED color temp of 5000. They are waterproof. They're waterproof. They're IP68 and IP69K, and LightFORCE does actually use a Gore membrane, which is pretty cool. And they are made in Australia, which is awesome. So now if we open these up, you can see they are a bit bigger than the ROK40. Maybe about twice as wide, about maybe an inch or 2 taller, about the size of your hand. So these will be our new fog lights. Here I do have the LightFORCE ROK40s. These are ultra flood, so the beam pattern is going to be super wide. They do produce, where is it here? So it's an ultra flood beam pattern. They produce 1 lux at 39 meters, and they also have that 5000 LED color temp. So open it up here. They do just ship with a blue protective film. That's why you see that right now. But you can see this is the ultra flood. This is what we were running for fog lights on our current bumpers. Getting this out of here. So then you can see what we are going to run on our next bumpers as our fog lights. You can see the size difference here. They are just a little bit taller, but about twice as wide. So where these are, we're going to use as ditch lights with that ultra flood beam pattern. These we're going to use more as driving lights when our HTX2s are just too bright and will blind oncoming traffic. As I'm sure some of you have noticed, I've only talked about lights for the front of our truck, on our front bumper. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to reuse our flood ROK40s from our current front bumper onto our rear bumper, and then we're going to repurpose the other pair of ROK40s and our rear ROK20s as utility lights on our new bed rack. Once again, huge shout out to LightFORCE USA for sending these lights. Hopefully you liked the video. If so, please like, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.